Hello, this is Eva Elizabeth Wood, Bible Study Lesson Wood. I'm starting out with doing blogs on my Handy cam, Sony Handy cam. Camera. And that's what you're going to see next on the next page. I'm going to give a tour of my apartment. I'm going to talk a little bit about that. And I also have a spirit that blurs my camera as I enter into my bedroom behind me. So I will see you on the next page. Hello, this is Elizabeth Wood, Bible Lesson Study Wood, from Rushville, New York, in the United States of America. Greetings to you all out there on YouTube and the World Wide Web. I'm in a different area of my apartment. I'm in my kitchen. I'm taking suggestions from one of the how-to videos on how to increase views and subscribers. So I'm taking that advice and doing it on my webcam. Not my webcam, my Sony Handy cam video camera. Before I get started here, I will try not to get the gals in the video. There are a few places in the living room that has gals on it, so I'm not going to try to get the gals in. Now, I lived here at this apartment complex for 6 years, and I lived in this apartment for 5, the other one across the parking lot for almost 1 year. And so I like it here. It's very quiet, and it's very quiet. Now, while I'm giving you the tour of this apartment, I will do my best not to show the gals. Otherwise, the third-party software that is scanning our videos on the upload will find a match and will flag me for the FTC COPPA rule. And that is because of my gals being in the video, which I am going to try to keep out. Now, anytime during my tour, if you notice something unusual happening, like a paranormal happening, or you hear any noise, now the only thing that will be visible of happening is my camera being blurred. Now, the first time I tried to do this, my camera was blurring in the bedroom. I noticed that. Of course, you can't see it on this one. So if you notice that, that is the spirit in my apartment that is in front of me. Okay, let's get the tour going, and let's see what the kitchen looked like. Okay, you got a little bit of me up close. As you can see, my drain board. When I do dishes, I leave the dishes in there. I don't put them in the cupboard. A lot easier for me to grab for them. And this is my picture of the sink at my house that I used to live in and was raised in. Now, I'll turn myself around and you can see my the counter, my microwave, and I will show you the picture of my refrigerator with Joyce and Frank again, and Jinkin the cat, and Bob my boarder. And you go down, you can see Paprika, I think you can see her, yep. And see my collie, and other pictures. Now, I am going to go sit and try not to get the gowls. And I got the gowls on my, here we go. Now, I'm gonna do this. There we go. There I am. Oh, I can't. I'll have the gowls in. Well, anyway, I gotta sit because my back starts to hurting. I have a scoliosis and arthritis in my lower back on my lower part of my back. So I can't stand up long or walk a distance without it hurting. So I am going to turn the camera around, and I am going to show you my apartment. There we go. Now, I am going to head straight to the storage room. And turn on some few lights, because it's dark in here. So there's my Christmas tree, which I'm going to put up next weekend. And I do paint pictures, which I haven't painted in a long time. And there is the white Christmas tree. And this is my normal Christmas tree that is up in a hot water heater. And my house cleaning equipment. So there we go. Now we're going into, oh, it's getting blurry. Okay, if you see the blurriness, that's because I got a spirit that is in front of me. I'm going to have to tell you about this tree here. This tree is 30 years old. I had it at the house. I raised it. It was after my parents had passed away, like the year of 1985, and the PNC was still around, and that's where I got this. And right here is my keyboard, and maybe someday on YouTube, if I'm still up, I'll play some music for you. And this is my dresser. Uh-oh. I just had a spirit go in front of me. Did you see that? Did you see that? All right. Now, there's my my bangles, my bracelet. And here's another picture. I do paintings. I'm not a professional, but I'm going to show you the painting I'm starting to work on. It's not finished yet. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm doing fine so far, as my back goes. Now, I'll show you the bathroom. I'll show you. There we go. We're going in the bathroom. There's the bathroom. Of course, I don't take showers because my back hurts getting in and out. I don't feel comfortable getting out of the bath. So I sponge bath. Right? I'm up at the sink and I sponge bath. And there's where I keep my towels and stuff. Okay. Now, I gotta get back to I'm gonna lower my camera so the gals don't get in there. Now I'm going to swing this around. There we go. Now, it was a nice tour, wasn't it? It's snowing outside. We're having a winter storm, so it's hard to hold my arm out so you can see the whole thing of me. Well, anyway, this is all I have to say to you. I try my best to keep the gals out. At least you got some tour of the apartment. And my arm gets tired. So I'm going to continue to use my handy cam to do my videos for upload on YouTube. I also want to purchase a photo studio kit so I have a better lighting, so I can have a better filming in here to have a better quality picture to show you. No, I don't dare. I gotta keep my camera down so I won't show the gals. Okay. I thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification and the like button, and hopefully more videos will be uploaded here on YouTube. So long. I'll see you later.